Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all feeling good because Wall Street was feeling kind of indecisive yesterday. Hey, everyone. It's Thursday morning, June 26th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. So, Wednesday started off with a bit of optimism. President Trump came out saying the whole Israel-Iran thing is basically over. And for a hot second, that actually helped the markets breathe a little easier. Tech stocks got a little boost, especially one big chip maker that surged 4% and hit a new record close. Of course, I'm talking about Nvidia. The Nasdaq ended the day up around 0.2%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 flirted with all-time highs, but closed just shy of the record. The Dow slipped a bit, down about 0.3%, or just over 100 points. But then Jerome Powell entered the chat. Again, day 2 of his testimony on Capitol Hill kept investors guessing. He faced some heat from Republicans, including Trump, who's been pretty vocal about wanting those rate cuts. Powell kept it cautious. He basically said, "Look, we don't really know yet how much inflation is going to come from these new tariffs. And while some of it will show up, it's still too early to tell." Markets had liked Powell's tone from the day before when he suggested cuts might come sooner rather than later, but yesterday he was back in data watching mode. That sets the stage for Friday's big drop, the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, the PCE report. Traders will be watching that one closely to see if tariffs are already hitting prices. And while things seem quiet on the Middle East front, no new strikes reported since Trump scolded both sides, oil prices edge slightly higher. Cautious optimism, folks. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.